Just finished my first week of mushroom powder. Been having it in my coffee every single morning. In fact, I just whipped out this Keurig right here so that we could make my mushroom coffee a little bit easier. My wife tells me the easiest way to do it is to take a scoop of this powder right here, put it in your cup, and then make your Keurig, and it will dissolve a little bit better than if you make the coffee first and then try to drop this stuff in. I'm going to tell you all about this mushroom powder and how I felt after the first week of using it. Let me open it up and show you what it looks like really quick. Kind of looks like cocoa powder. Give you a little serving spoon. Use that. Dump it straight into your coffee or whatever you want to drink it with, tea. And supposedly you'll have all kinds of beneficial effects from this. It's got 6 different kinds of mushrooms in it. I'm not even going to try to pronounce them all. Maybe you've heard of them. So let me tell you how my experience has gone so far.
So first things first, how did it taste? I actually thought it tasted not that bad. The first day I tried it, you definitely noticed the taste when you put it into your coffee. It has just like an earthy taste. It was like I was drinking dirt. And when I get to the bottom of the cup of coffee, there's of course like a little bit of siltiness at the bottom. So I ended up making a second cup. I didn't want to waste the mushroom powder that seemed like it was settled to the bottom of my coffee. I made a second cup and then drank the rest of the powder that way. I found it's really effective if you just take that last sip of coffee as a shot and try to get as much of the mushroom powder out as possible. That's been helpful for me. As long as you can get over the taste, then I don't think you're gonna have any problem drinking this stuff every single morning. If it just tastes awful to you, then I don't know, maybe this won't work out for you. For me, it's not that bad. I hardly notice it. And to be perfectly honest with you, I'm looking forward to this cup of coffee every single morning now. It's only been 6 days. I started Monday and today's Saturday. So 6 days of drinking this coffee. I've already had mine this morning. I'll tell you a little bit about how I feel after drinking this coffee for 6 days. Starting with the fact that I definitely feel like I have more energy and more mental clarity. This really surprised me because I'm a huge skeptic. I don't really believe in like natural solutions and supplements and that kind of stuff. I don't take any kind of supplements. I don't take anything at all. No fish oil, no nothing else. I'm just not really, in general, a believer in that kind of stuff. But the mushroom powder caught my attention mostly because these mushroom coffee ads have been all over my Facebook feed recently. Rise and all these other companies have been trying to sell me on mushroom coffee. One of them even said, if you're a smoker or if you vape, you should definitely try Rise mushroom coffee because it will help you clear out a bunch of stuff from your lungs. So I don't know whether that's true or not, and I didn't end up going with Rise. I did a little more research. I found mushroom powder on Amazon for much cheaper. It was a lot more affordable to buy the powder separately instead of buying it pre-mixed with the coffee. So I just got the powder. I'm adding it into my morning cup of coffee every day. It's the first cup I have as soon as I get up. And I've noticed a big difference. I feel like a cloud has lifted this week. I've been thinking more clearly. I've been having an easier time getting up and being more productive in the morning. Now, part of that could be that I've changed my routine this week too. I run a marketing agency with my wife. And so a lot of times I get up and I'm immediately thrown into client work and just answering questions and emails and stuff like that. This week, I've been intentionally taking a break from that and trying to wake up and do something more to like recharge or refill myself every morning. So I'll read or I'll work out or I'll just do independent research on things rather than getting up and immediately jumping into the day-to-day. So I don't know if the mushroom coffee is responsible for all the effects this week or if it's the change in schedule or some combination of the two, but I've definitely felt better this week. I have more energy. I feel more focused. I feel like I have a lot easier time thinking through problems and recalling things. So I don't know. You can decide for yourself if you want to try this stuff. I'll put a link in the description. It's been pretty good for me for the first week. The other thing I noticed, and this is super gross, okay? I mentioned earlier that one of the coffee brands, Rise, they said if you're a smoker or if you're a vapor, that you might get a whole bunch of stuff coming out of your lungs, like phlegm, after you've been drinking this coffee. And I definitely experienced that. For the first 4 days, really, I felt like I was actually coughing up quite a bit of phlegm. And I was trying to be proactive about getting it out, right? If I'm coughing it up, let's get it out. Let's just spit it out, which was really gross this whole week, just being that phlegmy. But the amazing thing is that by Friday, almost all the phlegm was completely gone. So not only did I feel better, but I have no phlegm at all. If I cough and try to bring up some of that stuff that was in there, that mucus, it's not there anymore. It's totally gone. So again, I don't know if I can thank the mushroom coffee for that, or if I was sick last weekend and just recovered this week. Maybe they're not related, I don't know. But try it for yourself. Try for yourself. I definitely experienced a lot of phlegm coming up, and I was very productive coughing all week long. So it's gross, but if that's something you're interested in, then maybe try this stuff out. So overall, I would say this has been a positive change. I'm going to continue drinking this stuff. My wife's been drinking it all week long too. I don't know how she feels about it, if she's had any positive results or if she feels any certain way about it, but I feel like it's had a good impact for me. I'll put the powder again in the description if you want to go try out the same stuff we're using. Feel free. It's on Amazon. It's pretty inexpensive. There's definitely more expensive options out there. And a lot of coffee shops, they offer these kind of like mushroom teas and mushroom coffees and stuff now. So you can go find some locally if you'd rather go out to a shop and get some. But it's been a great experience for me so far. I'm going to keep trying this stuff. I'm going to keep using this stuff every single morning for a while and see if I continue to have positive effects from it. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful, hit like. Good luck with your mushroom coffee experience.